Last but not least, step 7, you should take the color off. And now here comes a little life hack. You have here the ombre style. All the customers asking for it. And if you take the color off, you should take it some minutes earlier off in the head of the eyebrows, on the head area here. And so you can easily smooth it out into the outcoming of the full eyebrows, and you have the perfect ombre style. For the full taking off of the color, you should use only, nothing else, only the castor oil, because it prevents from the color to get totally off the skin. If you would use water, it would damage the full long-lasting effect of henna eyebrows. So do not use any water, but castor oil for taking the color off. Anyway, if you worked with the foil, the cling foil on top of your eyebrows, you don't have no much problems to take the color off. It's very, very easy to do with the castor oil. And besides that, the castor oil gives the hair of the customer a very good structure and a nice shiny. Doesn't matter if you work with the girls on the eyebrows or maybe a beard henna treatment. If you are done with taking the color off and the removal of everything is around the area, you can start shaping the eyebrows. As you learned after the golden rule and after the golden rotation, you should do this. Do it with a sharp tweezer, with the brow tycoon wax, or maybe with the thread, or with the Storky scissors.